Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, fried chicken is comfort food at its finest. It's a dish that brings families together, fills kitchens with mouth-watering aromas, and has been loved around the world for generations. But here's the secret: you don't need to go to a restaurant or fast food chain to get the perfect fried chicken. Today I'll show you exactly how to make it at home. Step by step, from marinating to frying, we're creating chicken that's crunchy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. The power of marination. Great fried chicken doesn't start in the fryer, it starts with the marinade. And the best marinade? Buttermilk. Here's why. Buttermilk is slightly acidic, which tenderizes the meat, while its creamy texture helps seasoning stick to the chicken. If you don't have buttermilk, don't worry. Just add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice to regular milk. Now, place your chicken pieces, whether drumsticks, thighs, or wings, into a large bowl. Pour over enough buttermilk to cover, season with salt, pepper, and paprika, then cover and refrigerate. 1 hour works, but overnight, that's when magic happens. The seasoned coating. While the chicken marinates, let's prepare the coating. This is where the crunch lives. In a large bowl, mix 2 cups of flour with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and just a pinch of cayenne if you like heat. Now for the fun part, dredging. Take a piece of chicken out of the buttermilk, let the excess drip off, and press it firmly into the flour mixture. Want it extra crispy? Double dip. That means back into the buttermilk, then into the flour again. The layers of seasoning and flour give you that signature crunch. Frying to perfection. Next comes frying, the step that turns all our prep into golden perfection. Heat vegetable or peanut oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 175 degrees Celsius. You'll want enough oil so the chicken can float and cook evenly. Place the coated chicken pieces gently into the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan, give them room to breathe. Fry for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the size, until the crust is deep golden brown and the inside reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Here's a tip: keep your oil temperature steady. If it drops too low, the chicken will get greasy. Too high, and the outside burns before the inside cooks. Draining and serving. Once your chicken is perfectly fried, transfer it to a wire rack. This keeps it crispy while letting excess oil drain away. Paper towels work too, but racks are the secret to keeping that crunch intact. Now let's take a look inside. When you cut through, the meat should be steaming, juicy, and tender. That golden crust will stay crisp until the very last bite. Serve your fried chicken with classic sides like coleslaw, mashed potatoes, biscuits, or just enjoy it straight from the plate. And that's it. Homemade fried chicken that's crunchy, flavorful, and absolutely mouth-watering. What makes this so special is that you made it yourself, choosing the seasonings, frying it to perfection, and serving it hot and fresh. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Now I've got to ask, what's your favorite way to enjoy fried chicken? With hot sauce, honey drizzle, or classic straight up? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.